In this video, we are going to talk about top crypto stock to buy 2021. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. With crypto acceptance reaching a tipping point, it makes sense to have a few crypto stocks on your buy list right now. To give you an idea of the rate of crypto adoption, there were 74 million cryptocurrency users worldwide in July 2020. The rise in Bitcoin, CCC, BTC USD, has sparked a surge in interest in the cryptocurrency realm. Global crypto users reached 100 million in January 2021. Investor interest in companies involved in cryptocurrency mining, blockchain, and cryptocurrency trading has risen as a result of this. In the last few years, many crypto stocks have already delivered multi-fold returns. Here's a list of the top crypto stock to buy 2021. Let's start. Number 7. MicroStrategy, MSTR. MSTR stock has increased by 409% in the last year. The business has been one of the most successful Bitcoin buyers. MSTR stock appears to be appealing, with a market capitalization of $6 billion. To put things in perspective, as of April 2021, the company had 91,579 Bitcoins in its possession. The company's shares are worth $5.1 billion at the current Bitcoin price of $55,700. According to a survey of Goldman Sachs institutional customers, 76% think Bitcoin would hit $100,000 this year. If this is accurate, the company's Bitcoin assets would be worth $9.2 billion. Clearly, the stock appears to be undervalued. MicroStrategy, I assume, also has the financial versatility to extend its cryptocurrency footprint. The company will explore growth opportunities in blockchain, DeFi, and cryptocurrency mining with more than $5 billion in cash and crypto assets. This is only a guess, but given the company's emphasis on digital assets, it seems possible in the long run. Faisal Humayun had no positions, direct or indirect, in any of the securities listed in this article as of the date of publication. Faisal Humayun is a senior research analyst with 12 years of experience in credit research, equity research, and financial modeling in the financial services industry. Faisal has written over 1,500 stock-specific papers, primarily in the technology, oil, and commodities industries. Number 6. CANA. The price of CANA stock soared to a peak of $39.10 before falling to current levels of about $12. This appears to be an appealing entry point. Before we get into the growth triggers, it's worth noting that CANA had $60 million in cash as of December 2020. The company recently raised $170 million through a direct placement of ads and warrants. The business appears to be well positioned to pursue aggressive expansion, with a cash buffer of over $200 million. CANA posted a $174 million order backlog as of 2020 in terms of revenue growth. In April 2021, the company announced a $93.63 million deal with Genesis Digital Assets to sell Bitcoin mining devices. A long-term relationship with Genesis could lead to more orders in the coming years. Mawson Infrastructure Group also placed an order for 11,760 Bitcoin mining machines with the company last month. The point I'm trying to make here is that the company's order inflow is high, and it's likely to translate into healthy revenue growth. As a result, CANA stock is on my list of stocks to buy right now. Number 5. RIOT Blockchain, RIOT. RIOT is another stock to consider buying right now. After reaching a high of $79.50, the stock is now trading at about $35. From current levels, the stock appears to be primed for a new boom. The business announced a 116% sales increase in 2020. More specifically, the company mined 303 Bitcoin, compared to 222 Bitcoin. On a year-over-year basis, the company's hashing power has increased by 460%. This is likely to result in long-term development. RIOT has already announced that 491 Bitcoins were mined in the first quarter of 2021. Bitmain delivered 42,000 S19j Antminers to the firm for $138.5 million in April 2020. The company's hashing power was 1.6 AS as of April 2021. The company does intend to raise the hashing ability to 7.7 AS by Q4 2022. On a quarterly basis, this is likely to translate into continued increases in the amount of Bitcoins mined. As a result, the business appears to be on track for faster top-line and cash flow improvement. RIOT Blockchain also purchased Whinstone in April 2021. The latter has the United States' largest Bitcoin hosting center. The business is well positioned for organic and inorganic expansion, thanks to a healthy cash buffer. Number 4. Square, SQ. The stock of Square, SQ, has increased by 238% in the last year. The stock, however, remains appealing due to strong growth in the Cash App market. The company's Cash App registered 3 million active Bitcoin users in FY 2020. Furthermore, 1 million customers bought Bitcoin for the first time in January 2021. In FY 2020, Bitcoin transactions brought in $1.76 billion in revenue for the firm. On a year-over-year basis, revenue rose tenfold. Furthermore, the announced gross profit was $41 million, a 13-fold rise. The business is well placed to profit as cryptocurrency acceptance grows. It's also worth mentioning that the company announced buying $170 million in Bitcoin in Q4 2020. The investment is part of the company's ongoing dedication to Bitcoin, according to the company. In addition, the firm plans to evaluate its overall investment in Bitcoin in relation to its other investments on a regular basis. Square is clearly bullish on Bitcoin. I wouldn't be surprised if the company continues to expand its cryptocurrency operations. A banking license has already been granted to the company. It'll be important to see if Square establishes itself in the DeFi space as well. Number 3. Hive Blockchain, HVBTF. In the cryptocurrency room, HVBTF is one of the best stocks to buy right now. Hive Blockchain is a more diversified miner, with Ethereum, CCC, ETHUSD, and Bitcoin mining operations. The business earned $13.7 million from digital currency mining in the third quarter of 2021. On a year-over-year basis, income increased by 174%. During the quarter, the company mined 21,500 Ethereum and 165 Bitcoin. It's worth remembering that the price of Ethereum recently reached an all-time high. The business appears to be well positioned to profit from its primary emphasis on the altcoin. In addition, the company plans to expand capacity by 40% in Iceland, 20% in Sweden, and 200% in Canada. It's likely that revenue from digital currency mining will continue to rise in the coming quarters. Hive Blockchain has announced a strategic collaboration and share swap agreement with DeFi Technologies, which is a significant step. The latter is active in the decentralized finance sector's asset building and management. Deposits in the DeFi application increased from $1 billion in June to just under $40 billion by late January 2021, according to the study. As a result, in addition to cryptocurrency mining revenue, the DeFi space could be a game-changer for the business. Number 2. Marathon Digital, MARA. The stock of MARA has increased by over 7,300% in the last year. The stock appears to be stuck in a consolidation range, with a new breakout possibly in the near future. Marathon Digital is a Bitcoin-focused cryptocurrency miner. It's worth remembering that the company mined 50.4 Bitcoins in January 2021. In April 2021, the company mined 162.1 Bitcoins as part of its ongoing expansion. However, this is just the start of the company's expansion. The business plans to deploy 103,120 miners by the first quarter of 2022. Once the expansion is complete, the company plans to mine 55 to 60 Bitcoins every day. Importantly, at a $55,000 Bitcoin price, the company predicts $94.4 million in monthly sales and $86.5 million in mining profit. In Q1 2022, it appears that Bitcoin will be priced well over $55,000. This explains why the MARA stock has gone berserk. When the expansion is complete, the company expects to generate $1.1 billion in annual sales. It's worth remembering that the business has a low-cost energy partnership with Beowulf. The average cost of Bitcoin production is expected to be $4,541, according to the company. The company's cash flow is expected to increase in FY 2022 and beyond, owing to the mining benefit. Number 1. Coinbase Global, Coin. Coin stock is currently trading at $273, after a major listing and highs about $430. The stock is worth keeping in your portfolio if you're bullish on cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is on a high growth trajectory, which is unsurprising given the rapid acceptance of cryptocurrency. The company announced sales growth of 139.4% year-over-year to $1,277 million in fiscal year 2020. The company expects sales to increase by 41% to $1,800 million this year. In the first quarter of 2021, the number of confirmed users on the company's website increased from 32 million in FY 2019 to 56 million. It appears that the number of authenticated users will continue to rise at a healthy pace. Furthermore, as of Q1 2021, there were 6.1 million monthly transacting users. From a margin standpoint, the company's sector is also appealing. The company expects EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, of $1.1 billion for the year. This will mean a 61.1% EBITDA margin. The company's EBITDA margin is expected to increase by 2,000 basis points year-over-year. Coinbase has a large number of institutional customers in addition to its growing number of retail users. The company had 7,000 institutional customers as of December 2020. This opens up yet another revenue stream. Overall, Coinstock is appealing due to its high growth prospects and long-term cash flow potential. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.